Hey guys, so we have some really good news here today regarding Tesla Vision. I know it's been very long, many months have gone by without any signs of Tesla Vision improvements. Not even a single update has come out regarding the Park Assist stack and how it's going to improve mainly with the cameras running now. But it looks like we are finally getting our first update here. Now unfortunately it's not going to be pushed out to everybody right away, so you might have to wait on this. This is definitely not going to be just a Tesla Vision that we've been experiencing for the past couple of months. This is going to be the updated version of it, and possibly this is going to be one that is incorporating the hardware 4 inside as well. What I mean by that is that it's going to use the updated resolution, the 5 megapixel sensors. The biggest struggle I see that we have thus far is that its ability to detect the curbs or not. As of my previous testing, and if you guys haven't already watched those, go check it out. I'll drop a link right up top there and in the description below. But it seems like the back rear does detect very well, with the accuracy being very on par with the ultrasonic sensors. However, the front of the vehicle, with the sensors being behind the front windshield, is unable to detect object with accuracy, especially when it's in the dark or inclement weather. So these are all things that probably is going to be resolved with hardware 4, even the current hardware 4 that's in vehicles today. Now there is going to be the fact that hardware 4.5 is coming out with Project Highland and a bunch of other vehicles as well. I definitely will be talking more about that in future videos, but I do have quite a bit of videos already out regarding what's to expect with hardware 4.5. Definitely check all that out. That's going to be in a specific playlist called Project Highland. I will drop that playlist up top there as well, so do check that out. So anyways, going back to the topic, this is going to be a 2-in-1 package deal for Tesla China. They're going to be pushing out a software update, and that's going to be dealing with the occupancy network with the Park Assist side of it. But they also are going to be pushing out the FSD beta that we've been talking about all these years. Now it originally came out in the US and then eventually moved up to Canada, and that's how it's always been for the past couple years. It seems like the reason to all that is because the similarity between the two countries. Everything is honestly practically the same within North America, excluding Mexico. However, it was kind of a surprise that China was next on the list compared to English speaking countries like Australia and the UK. But if you have watched any of my previous videos, obviously you guys would know the reasons why that is. The summary is because the rules are practically the same throughout the entire nation of China, whereas in Europe and in Australia there's too many variables like right-hand drive, left-hand drive, different languages, and so on and so forth. But anyways, what's happening here is that the first update has already gone out, and the Tesla Vision Park Assist stack has gone out to Tesla vehicles in China as we speak. And then I'm gonna even say that within the week we're probably gonna see the first vehicle driving FSD beta in consumers' hand outside of North America happening. Now if you guys aren't already aware, China has already approved FSD beta running on their roads on government level, so the first place that Tesla is going to be testing this out is going to be in Shanghai. Now definitely this is gonna make sense because the Shanghai factory is there, and what they're gonna be doing is geo-fencing the Shanghai area. So as soon as you step within Shanghai, FSD beta is going to activate, and if you step back out, navigate on autopilot is going to kick in. This is very similar to Toronto, Canada, where inside of downtown it would be geo-fenced and it would not work at all, and outside of downtown FSD beta would get activated again. Now I know we're talking about FSD beta here, but going back to the Tesla Vision Park Assist, and I think this is the most exciting thing for all of you guys, the hardware 4 is taking some time but is progressing. Elon has said that Tesla is moving over to the neural net for the auto wipers, and that means that hardware 4 is going to be part of this update. So of course, with Tesla still putting hardware 3 in some of their vehicles, they're not going to try to downplay it any bit. They want to sell out all the units before talking about hardware 4. I'm honestly a little bit sad myself, but I'm really happy that technology is progressing, and definitely it's going to require better hardware regardless of whatever software that is out there. But yeah, it does make me feel kind of sad that my hardware 3 vehicle is sort of not new anymore, and I'm gonna have to wait to upgrade. That is the update for today. Tesla Vision is going to be coming out in China, and hopefully there's going to be an update for North America and the European market as well. And then on top of that, if you guys are watching from China on a VPN or whatever it is, know that your vehicle is going to have FSD beta very soon, so get excited for that. And we're all excited to see the drives happening in China. That's going to be the real first market outside of North America, it's gonna have a totally different driving condition, standard, and everything. So hopefully we can see what it's like with the cities looking super hectic and crowded. That is something we don't really get to experience inside of the North American drive, so it's gonna be super new and interesting. Anyways guys, I'm gonna be updating you on everything that's happening in the Tesla realm, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and this is John once again. Peace out.